COVID pandemic onset has been so sudden that organizations could not get any time to prepare and think of an appropriate strategy. It's kind of, there are a few things which are commonly done across organizations of all size and of all industries. And these would be to first use all those digital assets that already exist in the organization or are kind of available on a cloud mode with no fee or maybe a very little expense. Now there can be multiple such mundane tasks in the organization, and more such tasks are being made autonomous. A whole systemic capability around autonomy evolves over a period of time. So organizations who are riding the bandwagon of digital rather late should look at these three stages through which they should evolve. First is where they're automating each process bit by bit and in a rather isolated manner. The second is where they should look at how they can integrate them together so a more holistic and integrated play can emerge. And third is where how they can leverage data to do things which are mundane or to do things which helps their customers get better experience or employees get better experience. They should look at automating that with the help of newer deep technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics process automation. Some of the suggestions that I will have is embrace digital in whatever you do and look for services that are available in the cloud. Thanks to the cloud paradigm, today we have a lot of services that such organizations may need and are available in the cloud for very low rate. Second, I would say is look at building capabilities of doing it yourself. For example, if your customers are asking questions with respect to your processes and you need to address them, or your employees are asking questions with respect to the policies and stuff like that, can you create a module where they can get these answers on their own? So in a way, doing it yourself becomes an important savior in terms of saving a lot of time that you would actually spend on explaining things to individuals. The third is, can you use immersive technology to create newer experiences? For example, if you are a consulting organization, for example, can you create an immersive experience through a video that kind of highlights how do you do a consulting assignment and what unique differentiators that you bring on table, and allow organizations or your potential customers to immerse into it and look at it with a very different experience. So I think these are ways in which the MSMEs can actually embrace digital and which can make a lot of difference to their experience. I think so far the decision to choose the speed at which one would transform with the help of digital has been individual. But then came the pandemic and it made everyone kind of fasten up the process, catalyze the process to make things a little faster. So I think somewhere organizations should look at certain aspects to define at what speed they should transform. One is, how is their competitive environment shifting? So is their competitors embracing digital and kind of creating competitive advantages which they are finding difficult to emulate and difficult to counter in the organization? Speak to your salespeople, speak to what customers are saying, understand why are you not being able to sell in a competitive environment, and is there a role of new age approach which competitors may be following? So look at the way your employees within the organization are demanding digital. So are they looking at a better interaction with the organization? How are your employees using digital in their day-to-day life? Are they expecting better services from the organization? And third is, of course, how the regulatory environment is shifting. I think all put together, you'll get an answer to what speed you should, take to transform yourself digitally. Invariably, people are investing on a few things. One is on modernizing their infrastructure. So a lot of the legacy or traditional infrastructure, the way it is architected, may not be conducive for new age services or a new age organization to be built on top of them. So they need new servers, new storage, new networks, and an architecture to support their endeavors to compete in the new normal. The second is how they can integrate their applications across domains or even within domain, and look at automating every small bit which is kind of automatable and can reduce human intervention and possibility of making a mistake. So it not only brings in efficiency, it brings in a lot of effectiveness also. Third is the security environment. And the fourth, of course, is the use of deep tech like artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics, blockchain, to kind of bring in newer competencies and newer capabilities into the system. So these are the four areas in which organizations will need to spend. First, on modernizing their infrastructure. Second, on integrating their applications. Third, on the security of data. And fourth, on the newer and emerging deep tech like artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, RPA, and big data analytics. I think the whole ecosystem is also kind of, very conducive for organizations to embrace digital. And why do I say so? More and more of our interaction with government are getting automated. So I think government in certain ways is kind of moving faster than the business enterprises in terms of embracing digital. So I think there is very big push that is being given by the government in terms of forcing, I would say, organizations to be digital savvy, use digital as a medium to interact with the government. So I think the road ahead for India to evolve as a digital economy is all set, and we are all talking about a well-integrated, well-knitted system of digital platform that allows organizations, businesses, and individuals to carry out their interactions with the government, and allowing for a better quality of life and ease of doing business. So I think in order to digitally transform, organizations must realize that there is a lot more that is required beyond just technology. First is they need to address a broader and bigger question of why do they need digital? Is it for creating efficiency? Is it for creating competitive differentiation? Or is it for creating newer experiences? Or they're just doing it for the heck of it? So there is a strategic dimension which needs to be addressed. Second is who drives digital and how is it being driven in the organization? And third is digitally relevant skills and competencies have to be built, have to be inculcated in organizational members or the employees of the organization.